Bismillah. Dear students, good morning. I miss you. Wherever you are and whatever you do, please hurry up. We are going to study Unit 8 on Connect book. Page 20 or page 20. Open your books on page 20 or page 20. Both of them are correct. Yes. Are you ready? Okay. Unit 8. A trip to the store. A trip to the store. We are going to read the conversation between Hani and Hannah and their parents. Hani and Hannah are at the stationery shop. Do you know what the stationery is? The stationery shop is the place where we buy, yes, pencils, pens, and bags. Yes, okay, that's right, okay. This is the stationery shop. Okay, let's read. Hannah's mother, are there any blue pencil cases? Are there any blue pencil cases? Hannah, yes, there are. Hannah's father, are there any black pens? Are there any black pens? Hanny, no, there aren't. There are blue pens and red pens. Okay, dear students, let's study together the vocabulary of the lesson. Okay, next page. First, the stationery shop. Stationery shop. Stationery shop is the place where we can buy pencils and pens and bags and every school supplies. Yes. The next word is pencil. Pencil. Pen. Pen. Pen is singular and the plural of pen is pens. Bag. Bag. By adding s, it will be bags. Bags. Scissors. Scissors. Okay, why we add s to the word scissors? Scissors? Yes, it's a plural noun. Scissors are always plural. We can't throw out s. Scissors are always plural. Okay. Book. Book. If we have one book, okay, we can say book. If we have more than one, we can say, yes, that's right, box. Box. Calculator. 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 Yes, here we pronounce letter T like d. Why? Because T is between two vowels, which yes, A and O. So we say calculator, calculator, not calculator. Okay. Notebook, notebook. If we have a plural, more than one notebook, we will say notebooks, notebooks. Okay. Paint brushes, paint brushes, paint brushes. colored pencils, colored pencils, colored pencils, colored pencils, paints, 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 colored paper, colored paper. Why we didn't the the word before? This is ruler. Yes, this is ruler. But go to the yes, colored paper. Yes, because we use paper, the word paper, with more than one paper. We can't add s to the word paper. So colored paper, a colored paper means one paper. And if we have more, we will say paper bar. Yes, also we use paper for singular or plural. Next, ruler, ruler. If we have more than one ruler, we will say rulers, rulers. Pencil cases, pencil cases, pencil cases, pencil cases, pencil case or pencil cases. So, okay, dear students, let's study the grammar of this lesson. There is or there are. There is or there are. So, when do we use there is and when do we use there are? We use is when you are referring to one singular thing. And we use are when you are referring to more than one or plural. So when do we use when we need to refer to plural thing, we will use there are. And when we need to refer to a singular thing, we use there is. Here, there is. And with more than one, we use there are. There is for one thing, there are for more than one. There is for plural, there is for singular, and there are for plural. There is for singular, and there are for, yes, for plural. Here we have some examples. There, to point to something. There are two or more things. Like, there are 2 oranges. Or there are 3 people. Or there are 5 glasses. There are 6 women. There are 4 girls. And we use there is only with one thing. So there is for only one thing. Exactly like there is a boy, there is a book, there is an apple, there is a car, there is a woman. Okay. Okay, let's read this exercise and try to think and answer with me. Yes, there, use is or are. There is or are 4 men. There is or there are 4 men. There is or are 1 boy. There is or are 3 boys. There is or there are 2 girls. There is or there are 6 girls. There is or there are 2 bags. Okay, let's answer. Yes. There are 4 men. Exactly right. There is or there are. Yes, there is 1 boy. There is 1 boy. Thank you. There are 3 boys. Thank you. Exactly. There are 2 girls. That's correct. There are 6 girls. That's correct. And there are 2 bags. Okay, thank you. Now let's match. There are 4 men. There are 4 men. Let's match. Yes, correct. There is 1 boy. Where is the 1 boy? Thank you. There are 3 boys. Yes, that's it. There are 2 girls. What are the 2 girls? Okay. There are 6 girls. What are the 6 girls? Okay, that's correct. There are 2 boys. 2 bags, I'm sorry. There are 2 bags. That's right. Okay, dear students. Excellent. Now, let's listen and try to answer. Thank you. Here again, we have the word any. Do you know the word any? Yes, we use any with question or negative, or that's mean we use any in negative or interrogative sentences. Yes, with uncountable nouns like milk, tea, yes, water, and so on. Or plural countable nouns. So we can't use any with singular nouns. We use any only with uncountable nouns like milk, tea, water, oil, coffee, and so on. Or plural countable nouns like box, pens, pencil cases, and so on. Okay. So when we need to ask a question using there are, no, are there, yes, are there, when we need to ask about something exist, we use are there any or is there any? Is there any? Yes, is there any followed by uncountable noun like is there any water in the class? Is there any milk in the mug? Or we use plural countable noun like are there any box? Are there any blue pens? Are there any? Yes, okay. So the answer will be yes or no. Are you remember? When we use are there or is there, it's a yes or no question. And we have to answer using yes or no. That's right. And if we use yes, we will say yes, there is, or yes, there are. But if we use no, we will say no, there isn't, or no, there aren't. And we can also use the word, yes, exactly, the word any. Thank you. Now let's listen and try to follow me and try to answer. Thank you. Are there any potatoes in the basket? Yes, there are. Are there any pears in the basket? Yes. Yes, there are. Are there any bananas in the basket? Yes, there are. Are there any mangoes in the basket? Yes. Yes, there are. Are there any grapes in the basket? Yes, there are. Are there any lemons in the basket? Yes, there are. Is there any milk in the fridge? No, there isn't. There isn't any. Is there any bread in the basket? No. No, there isn't any. Are there any bananas in the box? No. No, there aren't any. Is there any water in the fridge? No, there isn't any. Are there any mangoes in the box? No, there aren't any. Is there any juice on the table? No, there isn't any. Are there any potatoes in the basket? Yes. It's your turn. Answer. Yes, there are. Are there any mangoes in a basket? Hi, my dear students. Yes, there are. Exactly right. Are there any bananas in the basket? Yes, there are. Excellent. Good students. Are there any pears in a basket? Yes, there are. Are there any lemons in the basket? Yes, there are. Are there any grapes in the basket? Yes, there are. Excellent. Good students. Is there any cake in the fridge? No, there isn't any. Is there any bread in the basket? No, there isn't any. Is, are there any pears in the box? No, there aren't any. Is there any salt on the table? No, there isn't any. Are there any mangoes in a basket? No, there aren't any. Is there any milk in the fridge? No, there isn't any. Thank you, dear students. Thanks. Okay, dear students, open your books again on page 21. Page 21 or page 21. Let's read the vocabulary again. Yes. Here at the stationery shop, let's search for some things. Pen, bags, scissors, box, calculator, notebooks, paint brushes, colored pencils, paints, colored paper, rulers. Can you answer this question? Can you write its numbers? Its number? Yes, I think you can. So, this is your homework. You will look at the picture and number the vocabulary. But now let's read the questions under the picture. Question number 2. Look, read, and complete. Okay. First question number 1. Are there any red pens? Are there any red pens? Look at your books and try to answer. Are there any red pens? Yes, I think we have red pens. Okay, that's it. Yes, there are some. Next question. Are there any orange rulers? Yes, there are. I think there is one, only one ruler. Only one? Maybe you have more. Next question. Are there any blue notebooks? Yes. Okay, let's answer. Yes, dear students, I found. Yes, the first question. Are there any red pens? I found some red pens here. Number 3. So the answer will be yes, there are. Question 2. Are there any orange rulers? I found. Yes, where them? Oh, oh, oh. Orange rulers. Yes, number 6. So the answer will be yes, there are. Question 3. Are there any blue notebooks? Yes, we have some. Number 9. So the answer will be yes, there are. Yes, there are. Here, dear students, I think now you can use there is or there are easily. So I'll leave 2 sheets in your comment to print. You can print them easily and answer them as a homework. And I'll be happy to see your answers. Or if you have any question, you can write it down. Okay, thank you. Here's the next sheet. I'll leave it as a homework for you. And if you have any question, you can also write it down and I'll take care of your questions. I'll be happy. Here, next lesson, speaking, on page 22. Look, ask, and answer. Look, ask, and answer. Here we have some children and we have some fruits, so please let's revise those fruits. Okay, we have some vocabulary words. Let's listen. The first word is not. 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 Yes, repeat after me. Not. Figs. 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 Lemons. Lemons. Bananas. 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 Oranges. Oranges. Apples. Apples. And try to answer. Yes. Are there any apples? Are there? Yes, there are. Okay. Are there any oranges? I think yes, there are. Are there any nuts? Yes, there are. Okay, are there any bananas? No. No, there aren't. There aren't any. Are there any lemons? No, it's empty. So, no, there aren't. There aren't any. Are there any figs? No, no, there aren't. There aren't any. Now, connect with math. Open your books, page 23. Listen and read. Do you remember the numbers? I think yes. Okay, let's read. 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Okay, 2. Listen and point. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Now, number 3, listen, point, and say. Picture number 1. What's the number of this bus? Yes, of course. 43. Dear students, excellent. Picture number 2. Okay, what's this number? Whoa, I am number 20. I am number 20 in my team. Okay, what's this room number? I live in number 67. Okay, what's the price of this t-shirt? It's 52 pounds. Okay, it's not a t-shirt, it's a, yes, exactly. It's a jumper? Yes, that's right. Or a sweater. Picture number 5. What's the number of this car? The car is number 84 in the race. In the race, yes. Picture 6. Oh, this old man. My grandpa. My grandpa is 75 years old. Okay, now let's enjoy this song, please. I'll go, but don't forget to stay at home and to wash your hands. Dear students, I love you so much and I miss you so much, but asking God to see you soon. I love you so much. Goodbye. Be safe. Stay at home. Don't go away. Keep studying and keep watching my video. Mrs.Hayam, loving you so much. Please don't forget to study and to listen to your mothers, to help your mothers too. Goodbye. Enjoy this listening. Goodbye.